Yes, well, another disease on the horizon, worrying at that. 100 cases of monkeypox have now been detected across the globe. The worrying fact, till now, monkeypox was restricted to Africa. Most scientists, virologists right now in a tizzy on how it spread across the world.
It belongs to the family of smallpox viruses and cowpox viruses and was discovered in 1958 in monkeys. Monkeypox, the disease that has now alarmed the world, was previously only seen in African countries. It has now spread to a dozen countries across the world where the disease is not endemic and poses a bigger threat. It's now been seen in the UK, in Canada, Australia, Israel and 8 countries in Europe. The World Health Organization has already warned about the spread of monkeypox to other parts of the world. What is puzzling is that in many cases in Spain and Portugal, the patients have no history of travel to African nations.
We really need to better understand the extent of monkeypox in endemic countries like in DRC and in Nigeria, Central African Republic and others to really understand how much is circulating and the risk that it poses for people who are living there.
What do we know about monkeypox? It is uncommon and outbreaks usually happen in West and Central Africa. Symptoms are fever, muscle ache and swollen lymph nodes. Chickenpox-like rashes are also found. Transmission happens due to close contacts with infected animals like monkeys and rodents. Human transmission is possible but limited. The US CDC says household disinfectants can kill the virus. The infection is rarely fatal and it can be transmitted sexually. Experts say that monkeypox has been around since 1958. In that sense, it is not a new disease. Contact tracing and isolation will help us. In fact, isolation of up to 3 weeks is what has been advised. What about the vaccines here? Will the vaccines that have been used effectively to eradicate smallpox work in this case as well? Is there any other vaccine to protect us against monkeypox? Listen to what experts have to say.
This was approved in 2019 for prevention of monkeypox. This is a 2-dose vaccine, but the availability remains limited. The vaccination stopped way back in 1979, at least in India. So most of the young people would not be inoculated to the same. Those who have received, I think the data shows that it is almost 85% protective against monkeypox virus also.
Symptoms usually go away on their own without any treatment. According to the World Health Organization, vaccinia immune globulin or VIG may be recommended for severe cases. In New Delhi, Sneha Murdani for India Today.